Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Telegram messages not sending. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. The first being your internet connection. So simply try to toggle on and off your airplane mode just to make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close your application and try to reopen it. Also, make sure that you are logged into your account. In order to do so, ensure that you are entering the correct number. So let me just go ahead and get mine right out of the way. As you can see, it is logged in. The other thing you want to try to do is simply go ahead and open your App Store and then simply go to the search bar and search for Telegram, just like that. And once you've done that, check for any updates available. If there are any updates, there's going to be a blue update button right over here. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.